Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. Today we're going to be grilling Philadelphia steaks. And we're also going to be grilling this on the grill with, using our peppers with it too as well. That we made yesterday or the day before. So right now I'm just going to cut it really thin against the grain. Nice and thin like that. And then I'm going to marinate it in a marinade for about half an hour to an hour. That's nice and thin, eh? Mm-hmm.
Trimming the fat off?
I trim the fat off, yeah.
A big hunk on this side.
Yeah, I'll get that off.
And are you going to be doing yours with the... There's like a debate. No, it's got to be provolone. No, it's got to be cheese whiz. Which way are you doing it?
Mine's provolone. Provolone.
I'm glad. I love cheese whiz, but I don't want it on my sandwich.
No, I don't want it on steak. It's just not right. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting this up, and I'll bring it back when it's all done. Okay, well, all the meat's been cut against the grain. So I've got it. I've been let it sit on the folks. Well, I've been letting it sit in the fridge for half an hour now.
In the marinade.
In the marinade sauce, which I made with soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and Italian seasoning, Italian dressing, like for your salads. I poured that in there, and a little bit of a hot sauce, just a quarter of a touch.
What's a quarter?
Like a quarter tablespoon.
Okay.
And a little bit of garlic powder I put in there. Let's just taste it. See what it's like. Oh my God, it's good. Yes. Okay, so what I've got here is onions and mushrooms. We're going to fry them up.
You're going to caramelize your onion.
I'm going to caramelize the onion, yes. Oh, that's good. But, and then mushroom, and then we're going to, once it's in a pile.
Normally they will dice up and grill the peppers, but instead we're using ours jarred.
The one that we jarred, and it is so good. I had it today on a bacon and tomato sandwich, believe it or not, and I put it on there. It was good.
It was.
Just
it really
perfect.
was.
It's not overwhelming or anything like that. It was just perfect. And then we're going to put provolone on it.
And where's your buns, bud?
Oh, they're over there.
What kind of bun you putting on?
That big. I'll show you in a second.
What kind are they?
Okay. Well, it's just in a package. I don't know what type it is. Well, they're nice and fresh buns, so we'll cut them down the middle. I'm not going to...
It's a chewy dough.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Like a Kaiser bun kind of a deal. But I'm going to cut them up in half, but I'm not going to put them on the grill to heat up. I'm not going to heat these up. I'm just going to cut them, put them on a plate, and put everything in it like that.
Are you going to talk about this meal, or are we going to cook it?
Not if you're going to be rude like that.
I know for a fact you won't leave it uncooked for long.
No, it won't. But anyway, then we'll put when I put them in a bun, then I'll put the peppers on it. And it's going to be just so good. Oh, man. Okay, I'll bring it back when we start to grill. Because I have to let the grill heat up really hot first. And then...
Charge up the battery on the camera.
Okay. Yeah, we got to charge the battery on the camera. Okay, now we're going to put the onions and the mushrooms on. Now that the battery on the phone is done.
It's like a fall day out here right now, isn't it?
Beautiful out.
Those mushrooms are going to cook faster than the onion, eh?
They will. But that's okay.
And our dogs are going to serenade us. They know we're out here.
Yeah, listen to that.
I know.
Oh, isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful sound.
A dog barking?
No, I'm talking about this.
Oh.
The barbecue, the grill. Look at that.
I know.
Already.
I don't think there's going to be any mushrooms for the sandwiches.
Why isn't it?
Because when you're not looking, I'm going to pinch them off.
Oh, I see. My God.
Just like the nachos.
Yeah, really, eh? They're not yours.
So you're just going to sweat them down a little?
Sweat them down a bit till they go a little bit translucent.
Caramelize.
Caramelize your onions. This won't take long, really, at all,
not at all.
to do this.
Bring them back?
And we'll bring you back when they're caramelized. Caramelized.
He was just getting the bowl up, put the meat on. I'm sitting there enjoying a nice drink, and oh shoot, yeah, I got to do the camera. It's just so nice out here.
Beautiful.
So quiet.
I know. I love it.
Not like back in town, eh?
No way.
It's almost got, like when you're out here, it's almost like a camping feeling. Oh, babe. What kind of meat is that?
Ribeye.
Nice.
Yep.
Oh, you all should smell this. He's got his onions caramelized, mushrooms are cooked.
This won't take long to cook this.
No.
Not at all.
We don't want it.
No, I don't want it burnt.
No.
But I don't want it medium rare either. Not for a sandwich. I want to cook it. This is an awesome grill, man. I tell you, the grill is the grill master. This is the thing to make.
I think that name's licensed.
Yes, it probably is.
Just like cowboy candy out in the States by W.H. Ranch or something.
Yeah, but that's in the
She's
States.
trying to sue everybody on YouTube that makes cowboy candy and uses the title. Not gonna happen.
That's like saying you can't make a bundt cake. You know, it's just ridiculous. But
she wrote us and tried to make me take my cowboy candy off YouTube.
We're in Canada.
She doesn't have the license in Canada.
No.
And she's fighting a lost cause. Anyway.
Yep. Why I make cowboy candy relish.
Hey, you're tasting.
Good too. You miss a lot. Oh yeah, that's good. So we're gonna need two separate piles.
Oh God, that was a lot of meat.
That is. That's one sandwich, man, I'll tell you.
Oh, you know what?
Nope.
This pile is way bigger than that pile, so let me just... There, now it's even.
Eat it. It's raw.
Uh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Look.
Oh, it's well done. Done.
Okay.
What?
This is delicious.
Okay, I'm glad. We should have had the buns out here.
Yeah? Oh, look at that. And to pair our meal off with, Andy's having a Coors, and I'm having a Smirnoff Berry Blast. Thank you, Lorenzo. And what are you putting on?
Provolone.
Not Cheese Whiz.
No.
Yeah, that's nice.
I should just heat this up here again.
Yep.
We'll find out. It's a pie plate, right?
Yeah,
So
but right in the house we have big lids.
well, I don't have them here.
Oh gosh, it's so looking good.
Yeah, it is. Gonna be good, I tell you what. That's a dead soldier.
The cook is supposed to test everything.
Oh, so good.
I know. Okay, we'll bring you back when the cheese is melted.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They're not gonna close.
Nope, they're not gonna.
No, man.
And then this.
Oh, wait, wait, wait. There's too much onion on one.
Okay.
There you go. Onion and mushrooms.
Now that's a sandwich, guys.
Ah.
That's one. Soldier down.
And then we'll run it in the house and put some of those peppers on it.
Peppers are out here, aren't they?
They're not open.
Oh.
Look at that. Oh. The cheese is just boozing right through it.
Oh my God.
I know. Okay, bringing you
Oh
in.
my God.
In the house.
In the house now. Ready?
Oh yeah.
Okay, look at that. Are you kidding? I can't get enough of these peppers.
Ah.
They are so good.
Look in the iCard for the video making these peppers.
Mmm.
If you missed it.
There you go. Hun.
Uh-huh.
Now that's a sandwich. This is Mm. Oh.
He gets such joy from
Oh
it.
wow. You can taste the soya, the Worcestershire, and the cheese. Oh yeah. Now I'll tell you what it's really like. Mmm.
Well, you didn't scream hot, hot, hot.
Not. Mmm. Very. Now that's a sandwich, man. I tell you.
Best Philly cheesesteak
Oh heck yeah.
in the world.
Mm-hmm. No, that's
The whole world.
the whole world. I don't mean to be rude, but I'm going to eat the bugger.
Oh, look at the cheese was melted right through all that meat.
Oh, the provolone. That
Oh,
really-
let's have a look at the sandwich. Pull it in. Like. Oh yeah. What's the peppers like on that?
Peppers are beautiful on there.
Better than grilling
I'm going to
them.
have a, oh, geez, yes.
You're gonna have what? A sandwich attack.
A bite.
Well, there goes that tea towel. Want to put that in the laundry?
Oh, well. It's okay. Peppers are beautiful on there. Well done. Really well done. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. What's the matter with you?
Ring that bell.
And ring that bell. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah. Cheers, mates. Till next time.